Top 8 Best Fly Fishing Rods. To agree about the best of anything, and that is without taking into account intended fishing styles and conditions. Number 8 Eagle Claw Featherlight 6 feet 6 inches 5WT. Unbelievably low price. This is an all fiberglass rod, so the action feels mushy next to the modern fast-action graphites. On the upside, fiberglass is nearly unbreakable. If you are looking for a kid's rod, fun for mixed species fishing, Featherlight is our low-cost leader. The seat of the truck. Number 7 Tailwater Outfitters Toccoa IM8 Graphite 8 feet. Day and throwing flies on a trout pond. The next. The 8'43WT rod we tested handles surprisingly well for the price. It has good backbone and a crisp action, features usually missing at this price point. Good handling for a budget rod. Sturdy build and case included. A good value for the money. Number 6 Wildwater Deluxe 9 feet 5WT. Our Deluxe Complete Starter Package balances a nice selection of gear with a reasonable level of quality and value pricing. The rod is based on a 9 feet 5WT IM8 Graphite Slow Action Blank. It features a ceramic line stripper guide. Fair quality for the price. All the small accessories included. Get fishing immediately. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Fly Fishing Rods or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 5 Echo Carbon XL 9 feet 5WT. Medium fast action and very lightweight at a value price point. The entire Echo line is known for quality at reasonable prices, and the Carbon XL holds that reputation up well. We did not find the perfect finish quality that is present on the high-end rods. Value for the money. All-around performance. The action is very controllable. Number 4 Orvis Clearwater 905-4 9 feet 5WT, and line combo that comes at a good price point and brings quality that will satisfy for years beyond the beginner stages. The Clearwater is not the usual cheap, mushy rod found in a bargain rod/reel setup. Quality setup at a good price. Versatile and great warranty. Free repair program is a big plus. Number 3 Sage Pulse 596-4 9 feet 6 inches 5WT. All the quality and performance characteristics fishermen expect from Sage. The Pulse is a graphite rod with a full Wells cork handle, an up-locking reel seat built on a beautiful polished rosewood insert, and Fuji ceramic stripper guides. Super powerful. Very balanced feel. Water and can make the investment. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Fly Fishing Rods or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 2 GLoomis NRX Lite Presentation 1043-4 8 feet. Record-breaking casting distance and high-quality build backed by a lifetime warranty to the original registered owner. The 3-weight rod in our test earned top marks for a small stream, ultralight rod. In expert hands. Excellent build quality. Precision feel and accuracy. The lightweight and high performance. Number 1 Sage Fly Fishing X Series 376, and build and distance capability the one was known for. These beautiful rods are handcrafted on Bainbridge Island, Washington and feature cork fore and rear grips. Fuji ceramic stripper guides and hard chrome snake guides. Crisp and powerful feel. A short rod built for small streams. Until you get a feel for the rod. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Fly Fishing Rods or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.